Gultekdi is centrally located area in the city of Pune. The region enjoys smooth connectivity with the various points in the city. Located in Gultekdi, Pune, Hyde Park is a premium housing project launched by Shah promoters. Nowadays the internet has become one of the basic necessities. It is impossible to imagine any new age residential project without the internet. Knowing that our partner Shah promoters wanted to offer world-class internet infrastructure to their residents, Hyde Park project has 5 11-story buildings and 14 row houses. It has amenities like play area for children, swimming pool, gymnasium, and a clubhouse. The challenge was to implement the infrastructure which is cost-effective and easily manageable, gives secured internet access to all the residents, have accessibility of internet in swimming pool, gymnasium, and clubhouse. The residents had a wide variety of service requirements like VoIP intercom services, video door phones, CCTV cameras, and voice and video accessibility. To fulfill this, Hyde Park team was looking for a solid network partner who could help them to meet their all-in-one network requirement. Hyde Park team connected with Digisol for its network requirements. After doing a thorough site survey, Digisol's team developed a plan with the fiber-to-the-home design. Digisol first installed a GEPON ONU gigabit router on each floor of every building, which would be further connected to an 8-port gigabit Ethernet unmanaged switch. Then using Cat6 cable, network switch would be connected to Digisol's router, placed in each apartment. Apart from the building, Digisol installed 6 units of high-power outdoor access points in the common area. These access points are highly useful for the outdoor environment, as they are dust-proof, waterproof, and have a sunscreen shell which is temperature adaptive. DG-GR1010, DG-GS1008 DG, DG-GR1010 AC, DG-WA110 to NPLV2. Hyde Park team was completely satisfied with Digisol as it delivered the assurance of cost-effective and easily manageable internet, secured internet access to all the residents, accessibility of internet in common areas like swimming pool, gymnasium, and clubhouse. Residents are getting strong wireless signal both inside and outside. Redefining real estate with our wireless solutions. With various satisfied clients in the real estate sector, Digisol is setting up standard in hassle-free network cabling solutions which helps builders or societies to serve their guests better. To provide the best experience to your residents, connect with us today. A trusted made-in-India brand since 1986. A brand of SmartLink Holdings. Digisol, networking is in our DNA.